We are going to take a few minutes right now and do a multi-view drawing of this object right here. If you're pretty good at multi-view and you just need to see what the object looks like, go ahead and stop the video right now just so you can compare your drawings. If you need a little bit more assistance, keep on watching the video and we'll produce this exact object. Okay, we can see that this is a drawing where 1 square equals 1/4 of an inch. So it's a pretty large drawing. We're going to start with a point of origin, which I always like to start at the back corner right there. And I am going to make my point of origin, let's see, let me move this so you can see a little bit better. My point of origin right there. Now, if we count out these little squares, we see that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 units long. So I'm going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 units. Draw my baseline. This object, if we count out the squares, is 4 units high. So I'm just going to do that right there. And if we count out this section right here, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 before it starts to curve. So I'm going to draw that in right there. Going in this way, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. So I'll just count that out. Just like so. And it goes 2 units up before it actually starts to curve. So 2 units right there. Okay, and you can see we're pretty well level. Now the center portion, which is going to be pretty much right there, we need to go 1, 2, 3, 4 up from there. And that is the apex of the curve. Now this is going to be a little bit difficult for you drawing freehand. Let's see, I'm going to mark right about there. There we go. Mark right about there. And there we go. Now that I have it light, I'll just darken it up. Remember, don't do the short little artist sketch that art teachers or art students do a lot of times. You want to have one solid line going all the way through. Now we have to draw our top view, which is taking this object and flipping it to the top. And we're going to do that by drawing some construction lines in. And the construction lines just correspond with all of our features that we've drawn in. Let me erase that. That was an awful construction line. There we go. And the end point. Okay, this is a flat-faced object. So we start by doing a flat face, which is going to be right there. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units wide. So I'm going to make a mark. Draw that right there. Close the shape. And this feature comes up that we would see going all the way across. And it's right there. It's actually this line. Erase my construction lines so they're not touching. Now we need to move this so that we can take this object and flip it like so that we get our front view. Same thing that we did before, using construction lines. We are going to transfer all over the geometry. Just like so. It's a flat-faced object, remember? So right there is my left face. This object is 8 wide. And then our detail, which is our ledge right there. And erase some of my construction lines so they're not touching. Okay, so we take inventory, make sure everything is accounted for, all the features, and it is. So we're going to be dimensioning this in a follow-up video, but right now we're going to stop with the drawing. So if you need any help with this, stop this video, rewind, and replay as many times as you need to get the concept.